Okay guys, what's up? I know I look a hot mess, but I want to come to you guys with a quick video because I know I haven't posted a video in a while. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and welcome to Cooking with Shanice. So I was in here making me a steak in my air fryer, and I decided I wanted some potatoes to go along with it, but I already cooked my steak, and I know that I will have to put my potatoes in the water and boil them, which will take a little minute, which means that my steak will be cold. So I decided that I would put them in the air fryer. I just got some yellow baby potatoes, and so I was going to show you guys how it's done, so that you guys can see how fast you guys can have potato steak and potatoes. And let me rinse out the sink because I'm going to rinse my potatoes, and then I'm going to put a little olive oil and a little seasoning, and then we're going to get it right. So here I have my yellow potatoes, and you guys can see my steak right there. It just came out the air fryer. But I have my yellow potatoes, and I'm just going to give them a little rinse. So as you guys see, I gave it a little rinse. I'm going to put you guys down for a second. And sorry for all the loud noise in the house. So now that I have the yellow potatoes all rinsed, now I'm going to take a little bit of my olive oil. I'm going to sprinkle some in there, which you don't need a lot because you don't need oil to do anything into the air fryer. You just want to get a little oil in there to shake it around, just so that your seasoning can kind of stick to them. So this is like a little seasoned potato, and I'm going to put a little garlic powder in it as well. So I'm going to shake it up. Woo. Okay, so now I'm going to pour it into the pot. So this is how it looks inside the pot. And now we're going to stick it into the air fryer. You put it on your settings. So I'm going to put it on, let's see, I'm going to put it on this setting, which one is the one that's basically like for French fries, but I'm gonna do it on this. And I'll be back when the potatoes are done.